I made that saw for fun. I think one version of it with a paracord as a tensioner. It didn't work too well, and then I added some, metal bolts and everything. Looks terrible, but it's more functional. But that was the first ever piece of wood that I've cut with it in like 5 years since I made this thing, and it's gonna be my last. It looks good and all. It's a heavy oak, so it weighs a lot and everything. But the blade that I put on it is just way too flimsy. I think it's like a buckle blade or something I got like eBay or Amazon. So pretty flimsy, but I guess it got the job done. I'm not sure if you guys noticed, but in the first like 5 strokes with the little open L saw, the tip snapped off. I guess the piece of wood was just too thick and it bit on the inside, so it snapped off. So I guess I'll just have to reshape the nose of it, and it's still going to be good. But yeah, I lost about like 3 teeth on there, two teeth. So yeah, it's sad. I like this saw, but I'll just reshape the nose and I'll be good to go. Well, today I managed to get an extension cord. I bought a new one. It was pretty expensive. If I would have known, I would have gotten a shorter one. This one is like a big gauge for winter, and they say it stays flexible until like minus 55 and everything. Where the current always passes, even if it's super cold and everything. So I got that one. It was pretty expensive. I should have gotten a shorter one also because it it's just a little bit too long, and I'm not sure how much of a power loss I have, from the inverter to the end of the extension cord, and then plus I have to, burn the power through the lights. So I don't know how much I have, but I thought that the battery was a little bit further than what it actually is, I guess. So now I have a useless long extension cord. But as you can see, I'm not sure if you guys can see that, but the lights are on. I'm just letting the battery burn up a bit of juice. It hasn't worked in quite some time since I didn't have an extension cord, and I haven't been here in a little while. So yeah, I'm letting it use up some juice as the solar power charges it up. Yeah, and I did a little bit of work in the workshop in the back. I'm attempting, hopefully next time I'll have a saw or something to make a workbench, but I don't know how that's going to work. I did 2 planks and I nailed them together to make a tabletop. Now I just need to find some logs, and I think I still have one left, so I'll be able just to cut that to length, and I'll have a nice little table to do my little projects on. Also started cleaning out the cabin, which I'm very happy about because it's so cramped in there. I don't want anything useless that's pretty much just laying around like tools. So woodshed is coming in pretty handy so far.